If you own a smartphone or a laptop and have access to the internet and you are still not making a decent amount of money online, then my friend, you are seriously missing out on a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you the best money making apps that you can download on your phone and start making money today. And the best part is you get paid for doing extremely simple tasks like playing games, watching videos, or taking surveys. Apps to make money can be easily downloaded on your devices. They can help you earn extra money, gift cards, cash back on purchases. Number 1, Make Money app. Earn money by completing simple tasks inside the app. Easily make free money by completing surveys, giving options, testing services, giving endorsements, and watching videos. You can earn cash anytime and from anywhere. There are no complicated missions to visit places or wander around. And the best of all, it is an easy, quick and fun way to make easy money. Make Money is the best reward app. Make Money app pays better and faster than other reward apps. No gift cards or discounts. You are paid in cash and in your account. How does Make Money app work? Complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards. The tasks vary and can be completing surveys, watching videos, and many more. Redeem your credits and start enjoying your money. Number 2, Peer to Profit. Peer to Profit pays better than most of its competitors. You will earn $0.8 per gigabyte of data you are able to share through their software. If you are using their app, your earnings will be higher at $1 per gigabyte. Peer to Profit is yet another fantastic peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing network. Every month you can make over $6 to $75. Remember, the larger your network, the more money you will make. This is one of the best options for sharing network bandwidth worldwide. They also have a referral program. For over 30 referrals, they pay around $100. Number 3, Observer. Join the more than 400,000 people who are acting like sacred shoppers, as we call them, observers. Getting started is simple. You just head to stores, snap some photos, and answer a couple of questions. Every now and then, you will also speak to a store associate. That is it. Observer is a fun, fast, and easy way to make PayPal money or earn Bitcoin. Gigs pay between $3 and $25, and you will get paid via PayPal or Coinbase. This side hustle is the perfect way to earn money for dinner dates, movie nights, and other special occasions. If you are interested in learning how to start a profitable online business right now, I would recommend you watch the video next, which I will link in the description below. Please like this video and subscribe if you are new to this channel, for I publish video like this one on regular basis. Number 4, Amazon Shopper Panel. The Amazon Shopper Panel is an opt-in invitation-only program where participants can earn monthly rewards by sharing receipts of purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and enabling an ad verification for the ads they see from Amazon's own advertising or third-party businesses that advertise through Amazon ads. Earning rewards is easy. Simply upload 10 eligible receipts per month by using the Amazon Shopper Panel app to take pictures of paper receipts, or by forwarding email receipts to recipient at panel.amazon.com, and you will earn $10 towards either an Amazon balance. Number 5, Play. Play is an app that lets you earn gift cards while playing games. Play has over 20 million downloads and has given out more than $35 million in rewards. Every game on the app is free to play. All you need to do is to play your games and choose your rewards. So what are you still waiting for? On the Play app, you can earn rewards while playing mobile games. The more games you play, the more points you earn. Redeem your points for awesome rewards. Complete badges to earn even more units. Introduce your friends to Play and earn more together. Keep your daily streak going for weekly unit bonuses. Number 6, Mode N app. Get paid to listen to free music from a selection of 100 plus radio stations with the world's top songs, and get paid to play games from the top game studios. Make money daily on your phone playing music and free games on the Mode app. Cash and money rewards paid in gift cards for playing games or play to earn radio. Make money with new mobile game. Get paid real cash or gift cards for listening to music. Get paid real cash for playing to earn survey, playing to earn cash competitions, and playing real money cash games. The Mode N app is the only place for free music, free games, saving, and gift cards. Start Cash App rewards by listening to our free music player while you get paid to play games. While there are many ways to generate passive income, it is important to further diversify your portfolio and look for alternative ways to earn more money. Number 7, Minds Worms. Get paid for sharing your opinions with market researchers, product developers, and storytellers. Complete your profile, browse studies, and apply, and we will notify you which studies are right for you. Share your wisdom. Record 40 to 60 seconds videos of yourself responding to study questions. Get paid. Receive $10 to $50 per studies in 24 hours via PayPal. Number 8. IQ. IQ connects top brands to a panel of consumers who wants to be rewarded for their candid feedbacks. IQ is the only company in the world to pay consumers up to $0.25 instantly per question directly to their PayPal account. Join over 1 million people who have already started being paid for their valuable opinions. Join now and turn your opinions into cash. Number 9. Eureka. Eureka Surveys has paid members over $8 million to date. Sign up for free and earn $1 for your first survey. Earn money with Eureka Survey. Start getting paid for your opinion and cash out rewards instantly via PayPal or 70+ gift cards. Make money from your phone anytime, anywhere. Every survey you complete pays you cash and qualifies you into a weekly giveaway. You can also earn free money every day by voting on their daily pay pool. Number 10. Webull. Webull is a popular commission-free trading app amongst young investors today. While originally starting with just offering commission-free trading paired with robust data, Webull now has many other offerings including crypto and option trading. Since there are many offerings within the Webull app now, there are multiple different ways to potentially make money with Webull. Number 11. Mobi. Mobi pays you to shop and dine at your favorite places. Earn rewards by giving feedback to the businesses you frequent and love. On the Mobi app, you can start earning in 3 easy steps. 1. Open up Mobi. Pick a business on the map. There are thousands of missions across the US at a variety of retailers and restaurants. 2. Start a mission. Answer simple questions while you shop or eat and earn points for your work. As you progress, you will unlock achievements and level up. 3. Redeem your points for hot gift cards and cool swags. Number 12. Global Ventures. Global Ventures want to help people earn money by showcasing their beautiful city. You can also travel the world to beautiful cities and get paid to go for a walk. Earn up to $100 for a 30+ minute video of a walk in or around an incredible city. And if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel so that we can keep producing more educative videos like this one.